welcome to California. We are here in Long Beach. We just landed yesterday and today is our first full day.
Yep.
The weather is about like 14 degrees Celsius and it's pretty overcast and raining a bit, but the next days should be more warm and more sunny. So today the first thing we have in the agenda is to go to the Warner Brothers studio tour, and then after that let's see how the weather's like and what's appropriate to do in this kind of weather.
Yep.
Riva just did his morning run. I went and rented a bicycle, which was pretty easy. Once you have set up your account, you just scan the bicycle and you're good to go. So now this is our Airbnb. We can access one of the apartments through the side gate. There's a garage in the back and we have 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 2 restrooms apartments. At the Warner Brothers studio. Our tour starts in 30 minutes. We did buy tickets in advance, but unfortunately the money didn't go through. It's been a thing today, they said, so now we're passing time in the official store. Pro tip is that if you want to have coffee before your tour, then it's beneficial to buy the coffee outside, because inside the Starbucks is pretty overpriced and you have to pay for the parking, $15. But now we're just waiting for our tour to start in the official merchant store.
Welcome to Original Tommy's. YouTube comment sent us here. So we are here for the burger. It's supposed to be one of the best burgers. So if you ever visit LA, go to Original Tommy's. We're at the
Californian Science Center.
We wanted to see the Endeavour shuttle, but it's currently in the relocating, yeah. But there's still plenty to see, and it's free. This one is actually free to visit. So, but the parking was $20. I mean it's not free in that sense, but if you come by foot, then it's free. But yeah, there's cool planes and stuff. So.
this morning is to get to that ship called Mary. He was already in the front because he was able to take the stairs. I wasn't because of the bike. So now I'm rushing to get to him. But this is the long beach.
Queen Mary. That's Queen Mary. It's similar. I think it was like some kind of liner. Let's say bay liner, as Titanic was. So she was doing, I think, ocean traveling. So from UK to US in the 1930s, I think. But yeah. So we are here, we're heading to Griffith Observatory. Kaira is drinking her new favorite drink.
No, it's not my favorite. It's the first Olipop I have ever tried.
Is it good?
It does have like kind of fake sweet taste in the end, you know what I mean?
Yeah, what's the taste? It's ginger ale, yeah?
Yeah, it's ginger ale. But it's pretty good, it's quite sweet. But I do have another flavor as well, so let's see.
Yeah. Yeah, we will have a second one coming right up. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Hiya.
Day 3 in California.
Yep, welcome to Joshua National Park.
Joshua Tree National Park.
Joshua Tree National Park.
Yeah, it took us 2.5 hours to get here from Long Beach, California. And now we're on our first hike.
Yep.
And the entrance fee was $30.
Yep.
There was a little line, but not too bad.
Yeah.
And it's pretty warm, so you need to wear
Yeah.
sunscreen here.
23, I think, or something.
Yeah. And UV is pretty high as well, I think.
Yeah, you can feel it in your skin.
All he wants to do is climb the rocks.
Climb the rocks.
And there are a lot of rocks to climb. What do we think about the national park so far?
A lot of desert. A lot of rocks. But overall cool, I think.
Because I read that some people are so disappointed in the Joshua Tree National Park that once they arrive here, they are like completely disappointed and drive away.
Yeah.
But I was scared that.
I mean, look at this. Like, it's perfect.
Yeah, I was scared that it wouldn't be as interesting as I had hoped. But actually, it's pretty cool. Now is a picture time. Taste this thing, lemon lime puppet, which we also don't have in Estonia. First impression. Cheers. It's quite similar to 7-Up.
Yeah. Quite okay, actually.
Yeah. Better
Cheers.
than our last
Yep.
test. Day 4 in California. We are now leaving Los Angeles and we came to Venice Beach to check it out on our way to Sequoia National Park.
Yeah, and we were here like 4 years ago or something.
No, less, like 2 years ago.
Yeah,
I think.
when we went to Hawaii and we wanted to really come back, show our parents as well. And they are going to the skate park, so we will check out some skiers and roller skiers.
Yeah,
Roller skaters.
did some shopping in the morning
Yep.
at Macy's.
Yep.
Was successful.
A few items here and there.
Yeah. And now we have about like 3 hours drive up to Sequoia.